Hi, I'm Stephanie with Wunderlich America, where German precision meets real-world riding. You've got your BMW all dialed in. Everything's in place, ready for the road. But wait, have you noticed those unsightly frame holes? You know, the ones we all kind of pretend don't exist. Well, it's time to face the elephant in the room and plug it up. Introducing the Wunderlich Frame Plugs. This isn't just about a clean look, although it definitely delivers that. These small plugs make a big impact on the overall aesthetics and longevity of your bike. They're designed to fit perfectly into those unsightly gaps in the frame of your BMW R1250 RT. You know the spots, where dirt, moisture, and rust can sneak in. Well, these plugs have got that covered, while making your bike look sleek and finished. Made from durable, high-quality rubber, these plugs are built to last, keeping all that grime and water out. You won't have to worry about those little issues that can add up over time. And don't let their simplicity fool you. These plugs are engineered for an exact fit, so they stay secure no matter what type of ride you're on. And here's the kicker. They blend in so well into your bike's high-end design that they'll look like they were always meant to be there. No more eyesores, just clean lines and protection. So if you're tired of the elephant in the room and want your BMW looking as polished as it performs, grab the Wunderlich Frame Plug Set today. Find your perfect setup at wunderlichamerica.com. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and product spotlights. Ride safe, and we'll see you out there.